Princeton Public Schools is where Tigers earn their stripes through hard work, determination, and resiliency. Having Tiger Pride means all students are supported on their educational path to career and college readiness. Modernizing our facilities to match this commitment has been a discussion in the district for several years. After the 2021 election, a task force was formed. Their job? To work with residents to align priorities and make recommendations that address the most urgent needs. Based on those findings, the school board voted unanimously to ask voters to consider a one-ballot question on Tuesday, May 12th. If approved, a $51.35 million building bond would replace and modernize career and technical spaces, renovate outdated classrooms, address overcrowding, and update infrastructure. A $750,000 tech levy would fund essential classroom technology, support devices, software and infrastructure, and provide training. The tax impact on an average priced home of $350,000 would be about $14 per month. That school community investment would bring similar modernized spaces like this to Princeton Public Schools, allowing real-world student learning with industry-standard equipment in classrooms that meet safety and accessibility requirements. Some of our career academies are located in pole sheds built in 1970. It was supposed to be a temporary solution. 55 years later, students and staff make it work even though they're rubbing elbows in outdated and undersized spaces. This puts limits on a lot of learning, including the size and type of construction projects that can be done. Other school districts can offer a different level of career readiness simply because of their facilities. Learning environments where graduates walk out of the classroom and directly into a job equipped with the skills and experience needed for success. The decision is in the hands of district residents. Early in-person and absentee voting begins on March 27th. Election Day is Tuesday, May 12th. Go to our website to learn more. That's where you can find a tax calculator to determine the tax impact based on the value of your home. Find a community meeting to attend. Send us an email or call us. We want to answer your questions about this referendum. At Princeton Public Schools, we are roaring forward. One community, one roar.